Let's make haste, cut the chase. Let's hug and kiss the human race. Let's put some smiles on every face. Let's cut the chase. Let's cut the chase. Let's not tweet in uppercase. Let's all repent, get back to base. Let's be blind, decreed and race. Let's cut the chase. Let's cut the chase. Let's dream big, let's touch and taste. Let's celebrate, but let's be chaste. Let's conserve no willful waste. Let's cut the chase. Let's cut the chase. Let's praise good people to their face. Let's put others in a prominent place. Let's fight for friends with all due haste. Let's cut the chase. Let's cut the chase. Let others hurt be tight embraced. Let all dangers be far displaced. Let thirst for justice be fully slaked. Let's cut the chase. Let's cut the chase. And let truth be what we try to trace. Let lies get smacked across the face. Let haters get to know God's grace. Let's cut the chase. 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 Let's cut the chase.